This stylish, built-in electric single oven from Samsung is perfect if you're looking for a model with fantastic technology to make cooking effortless. With a large 66-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Samsung's flexible dual-cook technology splits the cavity in half to create a double oven. It uses an insulated divider so you can use different cooking functions, durations, and temperatures in each half. This means you can whip up 2 different dishes simultaneously without the flavors and odors transferring. This model has amazing pyrolytic technology, which means it cleans itself. Before the program begins, the oven door will lock automatically for your safety. The temperature is then raised to around 500 degrees and burns away any food residue. Once the process is complete, all it takes is a simple wipe with a cloth to take care of any remaining ash. So you'll save money on expensive cleaning products and spend less time cleaning the oven. If you're looking for a model with fantastic technology to make cooking effortless, this stylish built-in electric single oven from Samsung is the perfect choice.